Be ready. Start. This court held that Clause B of the Fundamental Rule 54 would be applicable in all cases where the officer concerned is not honorably acquitted. Stop. Since in that case the government servant had clearly not been fully exonerated of the charges leveled against him, it was open to government to decide what period of absence from duty during the period of suspension should be treated on duty, and also what proportion of should be treated as period spent on duty, and also what proportion of pay and allowances should be given to him. Stop. This decision cannot apply to the instant case for the simple reason that government, by withdrawing the proceedings initiated against the appellant in respect of charge 1, clause B, made it impossible for the appellant to get himself fully exonerated. Stop. Since the appellant had been exonerated of charge 1 subclause A, and since charge 1 subclause B was withdrawn, it is impossible for government to proceed on the basis as if the appellant has not been fully exonerated, or to assume that the order of suspension was one which was not wholly unjustified. Stop. In that view of the matter, we do not know, think that the case of the state of Assam and versus Raghav Rajgopalachari can be of any assistance to the respondents. Stop. In the result, this appeal succeeds. Stop. The judgment and order of the High Court are set aside. Stop. The orders dated 27th February 1967 impugned in the appellant's petition before the High Court are quashed. Stop. The appellant will get the cost of this appeal as well as cost incurred below. Stop. Over.